On July 7th, 2025, a teen mom in Crystal Lake turned rush hour into daycare on wheels, speeding with her kids like it was a family road trip to jail. Let's see what happened next.
Doesn't work. I'm sorry.
How you doing tonight?
I'm not sure why you guys are pulling me over.
Well, a couple reasons. A couple people called about your driving.
Oh, really?
Yep. Hey, where are you headed to tonight?
I was just driving around.
Okay, you're just driving around?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a reason your kids aren't in their seatbelts in the back?
Why aren't you buckled up, dude? Dude, come on, bro.
All right, tell you what, while you're doing that, come on out here and talk to me for a minute, okay?
Are you serious?
Absolutely.
Can I call my mom?
No, not yet.
I have to be moving around, dude.
Come on out here. We're gonna go right back here. Okay, right over here. On the sidewalk, please. I just want to get out of traffic. Would you mind going through some tests for me today?
I don't care.
To make sure you're okay to
drive?
drive?
Can I take my shoes off?
That makes you more comfortable?
That will make me a lot more comfortable.
All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Yeah.
All right, come on out here, okay? What? You can leave that open. He can keep an eye on your kids. That's fine.
Please.
You gonna stand over there?
Don't start yelling for me, please.
Okay, come over here. All right, what I'm gonna have you do, you're gonna stand there, put your feet together and your arms on your side, okay? You're gonna stay in that position until I tell you to do otherwise, okay? But right now, I need to establish the fact if you're good to drive, okay? See where I'm coming from? You got kids in the car?
Yes, I know. I have kids in the car. I know. I've been yelling at them to sit the
Why are you crying?
Because I have kids to take care of. I don't have shit to do with this right now.
You're doing the right thing.
You don't. You don't even know, man. I need to get to my daughter, man. I don't know.
Well, first we got to get through these tests so I can make sure you're good to drive. If you're good to drive, I'm going to cut you a ticket and you're going to get out of here. That's it. Simple as that, okay? You good?
Yes. I have 4 kids to take care of, dude.
Okay, put your feet together. Your arms on your side. Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. You're going to keep your head still. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Do you want to see it? It hurts.
You've already showed me.
Okay, it hurts.
Would you like to see an ambulance for it?
No. I would have gone to the hospital yesterday when it happened. I literally went to work because I have to work for my kids.
Stand right here for a second. I don't think you've been drinking. I think you got a lot on your plate right now. This is going to confirm that. Are you willing to take this for me?
I want to go fucking home.
Okay. Well,
can I leave my car here and walk?
No.
Can I call my mother?
Would you like to do some more tests so I can keep going?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
I'm done with this. I want to go. I have to pick up my daughter at 7 o'clock.
The only reason I offer that, why I say that, and I offer that now instead of the other 2 tests, your foot hurts. You're having trouble standing as it is. Okay? The other tests involve you walking and standing on 1 foot.
I can do that. I don't know what you're... Like, my boss was about to fucking fire me last night. You think I have fucking time?
I care if you can do that.
I care too. I really do care.
Would you like to do it?
Yes.
Okay. So, put your feet together for me.
Okay.
Right there. Okay? Stand in that position until I tell you to do otherwise.
Okay.
Can we agree the sidewalk's pretty flat and level right here?
It looks like it's going upwards, but yeah.
Do you think it's flat enough for you to walk 9 steps heel to toe and back?
Sure.
Okay. So, when I tell you to do...
This is ridiculous.
You're going to take your right foot.
Yes, I can do it. I'm not fucking retarded.
Take your left foot, place it in front of your right, just like this.
My left. You said right foot at first. Now you're saying left.
Put your left
right,
foot.
Left.
Left in front of your right. Okay. Stand in that position until I tell you to do otherwise. When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. Okay. They're going to look like this. I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to do 3.
What?
Okay. Hold this. You're going to count. 1.
Are you sure?
Would you like to?
Yes, because I know I can do it. I went to work. I'm not a yes.
During the sobriety test, she staggered like life itself betrayed her, whining about her leg, her job, her kids, and the cruel universe. But of course, she wasn't drunk, just emotionally exhausted. The cops, done playing therapist, upgraded her pity party to a DUI arrest.
Man, dude, give me 1 minute. Are you kidding me? Pulling me over because I'm driving crazy? Man, I can't even fucking walk.
Okay, all right, so do me a favor. Right now, you're going to turn around, okay? Turn around.
No,
yes,
why?
Yes. You're going to be placed under arrest for DUI.
Why?
I've already explained that. Put your arms behind your back.
Can you please call my mother?
Sure. Right, once we do this.
Okay. Why are you guys doing this?
Stop pulling away. Okay, stop.
You're hurting me.
That's because you're not listening.
Why?
Absolutely.
Why?
You're under arrest for DUI.
Why?
Stop pulling away.
Can I put my shoes on?
In just a minute. 3 kids in the car, too.
Yeah, no, there's 5 kids in the car,
even
and
better.
there's 2 kids somewhere else, dude.
Okay.
It's funny, you guys, right?
No, it's not.
You guys are shaking because this is bullshit. Can I finish the rest of the test?
Absolutely not. We're done.
Can I put my shoes on?
I'll get them for you in a second.
Dude, I'm on my period. I don't want to go through this.
You have to.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Nope.
You're hurting my wrist. You don't have to
Okay, well, you're pulling away.
No, I'm pulling it against what you're pulling.
Have a seat for me?
Are you f***ing kidding me, man?
No, ma'am. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back.
Why?
Push you into the seat.
Why? You guys could have f***ing finished testing me.
Okay, sit back in the seat, or I'm gonna push you.
For what?
Okay, get in the seat.
You guys could have finished. No, you could have finished testing me.
Okay, no, we're past that.
For why?
We are past that. Okay, sit back, or I'm gonna pull you into that seat. Your option.
Dude, go ahead, rip my arm off. Go ahead, go ahead. This is f***ing ridiculous. F***ing ridiculous.
Yep.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
I've already established.
What did I do? What did... Dude. Fucking breathalyze me first, bro.
Put your foot in.
Dude, breathalyze me.
Put your foot in.
Breathalyze me. Are you kidding me? For what? Breathalyze me. You guys are bogus. You know what? How many times did I fucking bring donuts to you fucking guys?
Alright, put your foot in.
Man. Breathalyze me, motherfuckers. Do it. Do it. Hurt me. Hurt me. I brought you guys donuts so many fucking times. Break my fucking leg. It's already broken.
Hold on.
Do it. Do it. I got my fucking... Oh, wow. Hit me in the face. Wow. Do you guys want to keep
How about
going?
you act like a damn adult? Cooperate?
I wasn't done doing the test, right? Act like a damn adult. You guys are trying to fucking take me away from my kids.
You got resisted.
Yep.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow. Wow. You guys are fucking hurting me and now I got resistance? Whoa. What did I do? What did I do?
Inside the patrol car, she went full drama mode, rambling about her period, bragging she always brings donuts for cops, and insisting no one even tested her for alcohol. Meanwhile, the only thing filling the car faster than her excuses was the smell of vodka.
What did I do? You guys are scaring the kid! What did I do? Dude, can you please finish testing me? Why are you guys arresting me? Dude, why?
You were given the opportunity.
No. You guys were asking me questions and then you guys said no and then I had no option.
We offered.
No, you guys said no and I had no option. Are you guys kidding me? Dude, can I bail myself out? Can you guys please get my phone or my debit card? Dude, I don't know what the is going on? Nobody breathalyzed me. This is bullshit. What the fuck? Twice, please. Help! Help! Dude, can you please trust me? I don't understand what the is going on.
You're arrested for DUI.
Why?
We can smell the alcohol. Now that you've been sitting back here, I can smell it.
Are you sure you don't smell my fucking period, bro?
So let me tell you, you're already arrested for DUI.
For why? Dude, can you do the breathalyzer? I don't understand what's going on right now. Dude, my fucking kids, man. Why are you leaving me? Why? Hello? Are you gonna be able to help me write down any of the numbers in my phone or no?
Would you like to put your shoes on?
No, I don't want to put my shoes on. I want to clean my fucking foot.
I'll get you that opportunity here in a minute. Go ahead and step out for me,
Yeah,
please.
right. Dude, I don't want that opportunity. I want to go home to my fucking kids, man. Am I gonna get drug tested for real? Because I don't know what the fuck I'm getting arrested for, man.
Have a step right here on these footprints for me. I'm gonna lay it out for you. Okay, you're on arrest for DUI.
And how is that proven?
I'm not gonna go through all that again. DUI, child endangerment,
So how is that proven?
because you have 5 children in the car and you're.
No, but how is that proven that I'm drunk?
All right.
Once in custody, she acted shocked, demanding proof she was drunk and even asking for a drug test to prove her innocence. Ma'am, when your defense sounds like you're hangover talking, The proof's already in the air.
I need to go to the bathroom. I'm on my period. Oh, dude, whatever, bro. I'm gonna be here right all night.
As long as cooperative as you are.
I need to go to the restroom. I'm on my period.
All right, let me search you, and then you can go in
You
your cell.
can go ahead and search me. The only thing I have is in my pockets.
the-
I have stuff in my pockets,
Okay.
keys, and I don't know what else. I don't think I have anything.
When I
in my
take
mouth.
this handcuff off, you're gonna place your hand above that
Sure.
line. Does that sound good?
Yes, please, because they tightened them really f***ing tight and it's
All right,
hurting my
keep your hand
arms,
on the
man. I didn't f***ing do anything. I don't know why I'm getting f***ing arrested. He didn't f***ing finish testing me. He just f***ing arrested me. Why? Because I had questions?
Put your
Man,
hand on the wall.
I was about to quit my job yesterday because it's f***ing funny that my job... Man, you guys are the f***ing same. Nobody gives a shit. Nobody gives a shit. Nobody gives a f***ing shit. Do you want my pad too? Dude?
You're gonna take off this ponytail.
The ponytail? Oh. This one earring that I can't take off. If you guys take it off, that's bullshit, man.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. I care more about my kids than my neighbor. Dude,
All right, you're gonna go with me into cell 1, all right?
Do you guys have anything
yeah.
on me? Like any fucking evidence, any pictures from Lakemore, anything from this man who the fuck abused the fucking shit out of me?
All right, we're gonna go on the bench.
With Lakemore would have it.
Do you guys not have it? You guys have my name, right? You guys have my ID. You can't search that up.
Take your hands back.
Like, I don't know what the f*** you want from me. I don't know, man. I do everything I f***ing can for my f***ing kid. And you guys
on the
are...
bench.
Dude, somebody drug test me, please. Please.
We'll get there.
Please, dude. I need to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go fucking insane. You guys took me away from my baby. Look at this scar on my head. I bashed my head into the fucking wall. I want my kids.
Melanie.
Stop.
I want my kids, bro. And I can't have them now. You guys are gonna put that all the time.
She broke down in tears, screaming for her kids, blaming the cops for ruining her life. The officers, meanwhile, didn't even blink. A true masterclass in turning a DUI arrest into a one-woman tragedy.
It doesn't matter how loud you get.
I know. Why the f*** I have to be going through this shit when I do so much for my fucking kids, man? I do so much for my fucking kids, man. I do everything that I can for them.
Okay,
I do everything. No,
Melanie,
you don't.
have
You
a
guys
seat
do that.
on this bench.
Yeah, I'm there.
over there,
I'm
on the
not
bench.
fucking playing. I do everything that I can for them. My life means nothing, and I do everything for my fucking kid. That really hurts. You're really hurting me. I'm not even fucking moving. I'm just talking to you guys. I don't even have friends because that motherfucker didn't let me have friends for 5-6 fucking years. I'm over here working. Man, I'll never bring fucking donuts to the fucking cops again, man. That's fucking stupid. I even brought my kids to take. Can I go to the bathroom? I have a gown on. I want to go to the bathroom. You guys have been fucking tying me up, hurting me. I'm not fucking moving.
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Just listen. Don't
Sure,
sit.
tell me because I don't want to
Okay.
get in more trouble than
Just
I
listen.
already am.
Okay, can I talk now? When he said 20 minutes, when you wanted to go to the bathroom, we have to wait that long before we can test you. That's the law. In about 10 more minutes, I'm going to read you a really long document that's going to explain the state-administered test.
Yeah,
Okay?
and you have like 2 hours, right, before the alcohol that you drank gets out of your system?
It depends how much you drank and
Well,
when you drank
I
and
thought it
what
was
you
2
drank.
hours because I was breastfeeding and I know that it's 2 hours.
Okay. Do you have any more questions?
No, and I don't want to fucking sit here and be tied up like a fucking bitch.
You have to be. It's either that or I put you in a cell.
Please, okay, whatever.
All right.
Melanie Vasquez racked up charges like they were loyalty points: DUI, possession of a controlled substance, resisting arrest, multiple counts of child endangerment, improper lane usage, and failure to secure children in safety seats. Quite the resume, if criminal charges were job skills. So tell me, do we call it bad luck, bad parenting, or just a masterclass in self-destruction?